We're at Metropark station, seeing train number 57, the Vermonter, from St. Albans, Vermont to Washington, D.C., pull into Metropark. And it looks like we have, I forget the unit number, but it's the Crayola unit, I think. Or that, yes, this is the Crayola unit, ACS 64, number 620. Now seeing train number 146, a Northeast Regional train from Washington, D.C. to Springfield, Massachusetts. Pull in. Let's see if we can pull in before 57 departs. And this train is running 20 minutes late. 57 to Washington's on time. It was ACS 64, 637. Eight cars. Six cars.